What's up, my mechanics? Today this is a 2015 Mini Cooper Type S. It's a Type S, but it's a 1.5. I'm gonna show you how to replace the purge valve or breather valve. We can call it purge valve, breather valve. But if you go to the mini store, they call it breather valve. Okay. This is a fuel system. If you have a code P0456. Most likely is this one right here. Okay, so if you have a check engine light, the code is P0456. Most likely it's this one right here. Brand new, came from mini store. Okay, this one right here is in front. It's a 1.5 Type S Mini Cooper. First, remove the connector right here. There's a clip in there. Just pull it out. Pull this one out. Pull this one out. Bam. Remove. Old one. Bad. Okay. This is the new one. Same thing. It's pretty expensive. It's like 200 bucks. So I connect it right here. You just click in. Hit a click. Once you hear that click, that means it's in, okay? Don't forget the connector, all right? The connector, all right? All right, hear that click, put it in the groove. Bam. Bam. Look at that. It's easy as 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D. I mean, that's good. So like that. So if you have a check engine light, if you have one of these, then you can clear it with this for your lights, for check engine lights. If not, just drive it around, maybe like more than 50 miles per hour, the check engine lights should go away. So most likely, if you have a code P0456, it's this bugger right here, this bugger right here. So it's a fuel system. That code is for fuel system. All right, my mechanics. I'll see you later.